Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified SolidWorks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass SolidWorks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to show how we can control our surface with control curves. So in the previous lecture, we show how we can control our edges. But now we're going to define curves here at any position, and we're going to control the surface with those curves. So let's go to the Freeform tool. Let's choose this face. Here we have a mesh. So this mesh designated coordinate system. So the control curve, we take direction of the coordinate system. So if we go here to control curves, here we have add curves. Make sure you have a checked true points. So we click here on add curves. Let's go to our face, and you can see here the straight green curve. And now we can position this curve anywhere where we want. Now if we go here to flip direction tab, now we see that we have a curve to this direction, like this. Now let's go here and let's uncheck add curves, and let's go here down. We have a coordinate system, and now we have a natural. So this is natural coordinate system. If we go to user defined here, let's click OK. Here we have this arrow. Let's click on this arrow and let's rotate this arrow. Now we see that we are changing the mesh orientation, so we are changing the orientation of the coordinate system. And now if we go to add curves again, now the curves will take the orientation of the coordinate system, as you see. If we go to flip direction, now we have this. Now let's go to natural again. Okay, and let's go with curve. Let's put this curve here by clicking just here. And now let's uncheck add curves, and now let's click on the curve. And here we have two arrows, the same thing that we have with edges. So you can click on this arrow and you can push and pull this arrow at any position you want, like this. Let's click here. Now if we go back again to add curves, we can add a new curve here, like this. Let's click on this curve, and we can move this arrow here and this arrow here, like this. Let's go to add curve again, and now let's go to flip direction. So let's define this curve, like this. And now let's click on this curve. And now let's modify this curve, like this. Here we have an arrow, and here we have another arrow. And now you can see here we have those points, control points. Those control points are intersection of the curves. So you can also click on this control point and you can move it, like this. And now you can deform your surface. And here we have another control point, like this. And now we got this complex surface, and this surface is hard to achieve with standard tools. Now let's click OK. So in this lecture we show how we can control our surface with control curves. If you're tired of watching on YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the SolidWorks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super SolidWorks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.